Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by creating a Google Play Books Partner Center account and completing payments and tax forms so you get paid. Next, convert your manuscript to a print-quality PDF and design a 1500-2500 px cover. This ensures clean display across devices. Once done, upload files and enter strong metadata, title, subtitle, description, categories, and keywords, because discovery depends on it. Make sure to choose territories, pricing, and DRM preferences now so your book goes live without holdups. Once your book is listed, focus on optimization and distribution to scale revenue. You should /B test pricing and adjust royalties by region. Higher prices may reduce volume but increase per sale revenue. Upload a free sample so readers can preview and enable global territories to maximize reach. Also, create promotional materials, discounts, time-limited price drops, and cross-promote with other titles. Make sure to monitor sales reports and reader reviews weekly so you can iterate on description, cover, and keywords to improve conversions. To finish, scale and diversify income streams. Create audio editions, commission translations, or release serialized episodes. These increase audience and earnings. Then, run targeted ads, newsletter promotions, and price promos to boost downloads and review velocity. If things go wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Test purchases, reproduce formatting issues on multiple devices, and capture screenshots. If payment or distribution errors persist, contact partner support with order ID and evidence so they resolve holds quickly. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.